skateboard in a day like this. It's beautiful. And when I make it real cool, I might go up to 25 miles an hour in this thing. That's fast. And another like 20 miles in one single charge. 1800 watts motors. Let me show you this right now. Hey, how are you doing, everyone? Once again, I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT.com. All right, so today we have this cool skateboard. You know what? What it makes this real powerful, we have two motors, 800 watts a piece, give you a lot of power. So really you can go even maybe beyond 25 miles an hour. And believe me, 25 miles an hour, this thing is real fast. Pretty easy to charge. You leave it there, leave it out, charge a few hours, and that's pretty cool. It's a pretty big size. It can hold up to 300 pounds, this thing, and good suspension. And you can adjust it, by the way. It comes with the tool, so you can adjust the suspensions here. Now it has 3 modes to control. So they got low speed, medium speed, high speed. And believe me, when you control this thing in the highest speed, and you just push it forward, you have to be careful because it will send you back. If you just, I have it right now at medium speed, but when you just go like this in higher speed, it will push you back. So always, you know, firm and get ready for that. A little bit, it's a little different than when you ride like regular skateboards with no power. I've been using this already for almost a year, and I have it super fun. Check the remote control. So in the remote control, we have the 3 speeds, and we can see the battery level is full right now. It's connected Wi-Fi through there, and we can see the battery level of this thing. And the way you charge is micro USB. And we can go forward. Beautiful brakes, real beautiful brakes. Let me go forward better. And you see that how this thing stops so fast. I mean, unbelievable. All right, so you know what? I want to get one of this right now. You want to buy one of this? Hey, check the link below this video and grab one of this thing and go like freaking 25 miles an hour with super power and gear. Same thing, right below this video, all the gear, safety gear. Hey, I'll see you next time. Bye.